Hello everyone. In the present video, I am going to give an idea to you all on the topic exam preparation strategies. Don't forget, today's preparation is tomorrow's success. First of all, you need to read and do the detailed analysis of your syllabus related to how many topics are there, how many days you have for the preparation and so on. Make strategies for reading the particular topic and particular subject and strictly follow it. Find out the right time for studying the right subject. You may be interested to read certain subjects in the morning, certain subjects in the afternoon, and certain subjects in the evening. So find out the right time and do the needful. Start reading as early as possible to avoid the stress, and you will get a good time for the revision. Learn with the full concentration in your class so that it will be easy for you to do the revision. At the same time, when you are studying in the class, you are engaging with multiple senses. So you will be able to remember, recall and reproduce for a longer period of time. Next, make good notes or the mind maps so it will be easy for you to do the quick revision of the study which you have done throughout the year or throughout the semester. Do regular study to avoid the last time preparation and hurry worry. Turn off all the distractions like TV, internet, computer, mobile and so on. Don't forget to organize your study area before you start studying or reading. Ask for the help if required, maybe related to any arrangement in your setup. Keep yourself motivated for the study which you are doing. Take frequent breaks to avoid the muscle and the joint stiffness. At the same time, you work for a few time and then take a break. Again you work, that means you study, you read and again take a frequent break to increase your productivity. Certain topics are lengthy, so in that case you can go with the group discussion and then you can do the study. Eat healthy and the light meal so that you can focus more on the study. Take proper sleep in the night so that in the morning you can read and you can study with the full concentration. Always think positive and work hard and work consistently towards your study for a better outcome. Go to exam room with the spare time to avoid the hurry and worry. Be sure with in which format you have to appear for exam, whether it is MCQ based, whether it is a descriptive based and so on. Don't forget that efficient presentation is the key. So you need to work on it and you need to improve your presentation skill. Maybe the verbal presentation or maybe in written your graphical representation. Do proper revision before you sit in the exam. Remember, without good preparation, exams can be stressful. So prepare well, plan carefully and revise systematically in order to sit in the exam with confidence. Now you need to have an idea about before the exam. Okay, you need to have an idea when the exam will be held, where the exam will be held, how much time will be available to complete the exam, what are the things you can carry in exam room, and always see to that you solve the past exam papers before you appear for any exam. Now on the day of exam, okay, prepare whatever you need one day before. That means related to the stationery and so on. Take proper rest. Okay, have good breakfast or light meal before the exam so that you can maintain your energy level from the beginning till the end of your exam, and arrive the venue, that means your exam hall, okay, before the time to avoid the last moment hurry and worry. So Practice makes man perfect. So wish you all the best for your exam. Thank you. Good luck.